What is up, guys? Jim here, and today we're going to be doing a little wrenching on the midnight special. So the last time I had this thing out at the track when I was hitting the nitrous, you guys probably saw the video. So basically what's happening when the nitrous hits, it feels like it's misfiring, or I really don't know. I'm a nitrous noob, so we're going to figure that out today. Basically what's happening is when the nitrous hits, it's like shaking, misfiring. I don't know. I'll put a clip in right here so you guys can see for yourself. So there it is right there. I guess we're going to try to figure out why it's doing that. I guess basically what I'm going to do is pull all the spark plugs, have a look at the sparkies, change them out obviously because I'm going to take them out, no point in putting the old ones in. I also have a bit of a nitrous leak right up here by the purge solenoid. Right in between there's a little bit of leak. I don't think that has anything to do with why it's hitting weird, but I'm going to address that too. So spark plugs, nitrous leak, throw the bottle in, test her out. You guys are coming with me for the ride. Alright, so the first one's out, and looks normal to me. I don't know what you guys think. Looks pretty normal to me. The porcelain has a regular tan color on it. It's not charred, it's not white. To be honest, it looks like it's supposed to be. So I'm going to pull the rest of these and we'll compare them then. Alright guys. So we're halfway done now. I finished up this side here, got all 4 of those. It was kind of a pain in the neck, but not too bad. A lot of people complain about how hard it is to change plugs on an F-body. Like it's a little challenging, but it's not like difficult. So if anybody tells you it's like extremely difficult, just don't listen to them. It's not that bad. I mean, I have long tube headers, so it makes it a little easier. But even with the stock headers, it's not terrible. But like I said, I finished the first side, and basically, here's the plugs here. This is number 8. I think I showed this one to you guys already. It was the first one I took out. It looks pretty normal. Like the porcelain is tan. There's not a bunch of shit built up on it. You don't see any white. That's the most important part. When you see the white, that means it's running lean. And none of these are like that. They all seem to be pretty good. And I also checked the gap on these. The gap stayed right at .030. That's where it should be for 150 shot of nitrous, so you don't blow the spark out. But either way, there they all are. This is number 2, and I'm assuming the other side's gonna look that good too. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We're gonna keep on trucking. Alright boys, I just finished the plugs in the other side, and to be honest, they all look like the same as the other side. It looks a little black, maybe it's a little rich. I don't really know. At least it's not white, but I see the tan color on the porcelain. which essentially means it's burning clean. I don't know. If you guys know anything better than I do, throw it down in the comments, but these plugs look pretty fine to me, and the gap stayed the same, so I guess the plugs are good for now. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I got this little nitrous leak up here. I think it's on the purge valve, the purge solenoid, and I don't know, maybe just tighten that thing up a little bit more, and hopefully call that good. So the plugs are done, work on the nitrous leak, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so the leak I was talking about was right on this fitting right here. So all I did was kind of just crank it down. You see it's not even anymore, but at least it's tight. And I don't know, I'll put it back together. We go from there. Isn't that what I always say? We just put it back together and go from there? Fuck it, right? Let's do it. Alright boys, I got all the spark plugs in, I got the nitrous leak fixed, and I just put the bottle in. I'm gonna go stop over my buddy's house. I guess he just picked up a new truck at the 1940s or 50s Chevy GMC, I can't remember. But I saw the pictures, looked pretty sweet. So I'm gonna go stop over there, and maybe he'll want to come with me on the nitrous hits. Alright boys, I get everything hooked up. The nitrous tank is on, the bottle warmer's going. We're looking at 906 PSI right now, which it goes up sometimes about 950. I think it can go up to even over 1,000 and still be fine. But I usually target somewhere around like 950, something like that. My boys are up there on the bikes. They're going on the highway with me. But I got the controller all ready to go. And basically, we're just waiting to get to the highway. And then I'm going to let this thing eat. And hopefully we're back to good. And hopefully call it a day. But I'll bring you guys back in when we get to the highway. she's hitting again. God damn, that was a weird ass noise. Alright guys, so you saw that or heard it anyways. It's fucking hitting perfect again, and oh my god does it feel good. I think we're gonna there's a ton of traffic out here, but we're gonna try to hook around and see if we can get on the other side and head back that way and do it again, and I'll bring you guys back in. Well, alright guys, it's highs and lows as usual for me. We were just up on the highway doing some nitrous pulls, everything was great. Now I'm sitting in a parking lot. I think I might have blown a U-joint on my drive shaft or something, I'm not really sure. It's wobbling like a bastard up on the highway with any kind of speed, and it's scraping on the drive shaft loop. So I don't know, I don't really know what the fuck happened, but we were up there screaming and now something's broken. That always happens. So I'll be able to limp it home. It's just scraping on the loop a little bit, but it's obviously out of balance. I'm not really sure exactly what's going on, but I should be able to limp it home. I only live one town away from here. But I guess we're gonna end the video here, boys. But we fixed the nitrous system, so that's good. All that shit's working again. But now we're faced with this fucking problem. As always, problems, problems, problems. But anyways, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead down there and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.